these are all the reasons why I love storytelling and why I find it so magical. And storytelling is really, probably one of the most impactful parts of my identity as a photographer. Presenting my narrative to an audience and seeing their reactions, it literally feeds my soul. Every comment and response, positive or negative, and trust me, I get a lot of both. And it shows me that I've really done my job as a storyteller. And I've triggered this response in my viewer. And it's like these two worlds and these two people are colliding into this one single story. And all of these reasons are why storytelling is so important within our community. Photography is often looked at as an easy endeavor. If you have good equipment, then anyone can take a photo, right? So you stick a cute puppy in front of a lens, and who needs a story? Or you get a beautiful model, and it's enough. And those things are enough. And if that's what you want to do, then do it. But our art form is more than just taking pretty pictures. We are storytellers. We are permanently capturing moments in time. And photography is important to me because it allows me to express myself as an artist in a way that I never thought was possible. And I'm not sure if I would call myself a photographer specifically, because from a technical perspective, I don't always make the right choices. I don't have the exact formulas. I don't know exactly how to create the best light. I'm not the best at flow posing. I'm not the greatest at editing, but I love what I do. And I love how it makes me feel. And I love that it allows me the opportunity to create unapologetically and without constraint. And for me, it doesn't matter if you're creating this technically sound work. I just want to see creation. I just want to see people stepping outside the box and creating and finding their own artistic voices. And so I just wanted to leave you with this, to be brave, and to be brave enough to put your stories out into the world. And regardless of what the masses tell you you should be doing, and despite the lack of gear or the lack of knowledge or feeling unworthy, find your voice and step outside of your box and stop and breathe and just create, because the world it's ready for our magic and our storytelling, and there's no reason why we shouldn't be doing that.